Good evening, Philippines. This is Mike Padua, and we're back to our latest update. This is the weather analysis from Typhoon2000 for this weekend of Friday to Monday, January 12 to 15, 2024. And this is our English version brought to you by our website, Typhoon2000, in partnership with Naga College Foundation, Aboitiz Power, Bank of the Philippine Islands, Avenue Plaza Hotel, the local government of Naga City, headed by our Honorable Mayor Nelson Ligacion, and our Honorable Congressman Gabi Bordado of the 3rd District of Camarines Sur. Now let's proceed with our update. Here's the latest GraphSat for today, Friday, and this is valid until tomorrow, Saturday, January 13. And like I said during my last video a few days ago, we have another surge of the Northeast Monsoon, and it's now upon us, and it's affecting 3/4 of the country, from Luzon down to Visayas and Mimaropa, Sulu Archipelago included. And busy conditions with mostly sunny to cloudy skies, and becoming more overcast over Visayas and across the eastern sections of Luzon, including some portions of the Bicol region. There are some drizzles passing by, but mostly this surge of the Northeast Monsoon is slightly drier. However, the eastern sections of the Visayas will be affected by the accompanying shear line or tail end of a frontal system, as you can see it here. And there are some showers, light rain showers expected across these areas. The risk of flooding will be from low to medium. Meanwhile, across Mindanao, we have also a weak northeast monsoon known as the easterlies, bringing some rain showers and possible thunderstorms, especially in the afternoon or evening. And risk of flooding and landslides here is also at low levels, so there's no worry about it. So enjoy this cool weather conditions. Temperature is ranging from 23 to 25 degrees. There are no tropical disturbances or LPAs forming over the Western Pacific. We have here a near equatorial intertropical convergence zone. And so far, that's it. It's all clear. Now let's take a look at the fast animation, and it's all clear across the Western Pacific. Nothing unusual except for the Northeast Monsoon here. We have here a ITZA near the equator. And as we take a look at the zoom in satellite elevation, and you can clearly see here some ghostly cloudiness. So these are the nimbus stratus clouds, bringing some showers across the eastern sections of Luzon and the Bicol region, and also across the Visayas. Nothing much. It's only windy or breezy across these areas, and the chance of rain is currently at low, with only a few showers across Visayas because of the shear line and the Northeast Monsoon. Now, as we take a look at the wind and rain forecast from the European model, courtesy of windy.com, you can clearly see here, tomorrow afternoon, Saturday, there will be some showers across the Visayas because of the Northeast Monsoon, and also across the coastal areas of eastern Luzon, including Bicol region, because of the Northeast Monsoon. And we have here a shear line which is weak and not expected to bring heavy rainfall. And as we move into Sunday, January 14, we expect the shear line will generate some thunderstorms across Mindanao, particularly the northern sections, while the rest of the archipelago will remain dry despite of the Northeast Monsoon, cool and dry. And on Monday afternoon, still possible rain showers and thunderstorms will be expected across Mindanao because of the extension of the shear line over this area, while the rest of the country will be okay. And if we take a look at the rainfall accumulation forecast for the next 3 days until Sunday or Monday, the bulk of the rainfall or rain showers will be expected across the eastern sections of Samar and also eastern sections of Leyte, and across the eastern sections of Carga and Davao Oriental. So these are light to at times moderate rain showers, and nothing unusual. So this is the time of the year that we have the peak of the Northeast Monsoon, although it's quite drier because of the continuing effects of the El Nino climate phenomenon. Now, as for the wave forecast for the next 3 days, it will be generally moderate to rough across the eastern seaboards of the country. You can see here by tomorrow, Saturday, these are wave height of 2.5 to 3 meters. And as we move into Sunday and Monday, it will remain the same from 2.5 to 3 meters. So this will be dangerous to small sea crafts. So please avoid going out to sea, because the Northeast Monsoon will remain moderate to strong, although without any significant rainfall. These are all strong winds. Although without the significant rainfall, the winds will be quite strong here, up to 60 kph along the eastern seaboards of the country. And before we leave you, here's the latest global tropics hazards outlook from the Climate Prediction Center of NOAA, valid for the next 2 to 3 weeks, issued last Wednesday. For week 2, valid January 17 to January 23, there's no problem over the Philippine Islands, and we might be having more than 50% of below average rainfall over the Philippine Sea and most parts of the Western Pacific. While on week 3, valid January 24 to January 30, which is highly uncertain, there's a probability of more than 20% of a tropical cyclone formation to the east of the Philippine Islands, but this is not yet sure, and we will monitor the progress of this forecast. So far during January, the probability of forming remains low, since January, February, March is the least tropical cyclone formation, or least that we can expect when it comes to formation of typhoons or tropical cyclones. Okay, so there you go. Let's enjoy the weekend with this cool breeze from the Northeast Monsoon. Like I said, this Northeast Monsoon is currently at peak levels right now until February, and March it will start to weaken, and we are set to enter the hot dry season, wherein the effects of the El Nino is set to continue, and it will last through April or May of this year. And we will see you again early next week from Typhoon 2000. This is Mike Padua saying happy weekend to all. Stay safe always. And thank you so much for watching our channel. God bless to all.